with this filter now, how can you actually find meme coins before they blow up on the screen? Now I put some very good filters here, and it helps me to analyze these particular pairs in the terms of new launches and all that. So this will also help you. Now you're going to look at these boosts. You see they spent over they have over 10,000 boosts on this, and it costs much to actually boost it to this extent. But do not trust what you see most times, because some of these are not actually real. Maybe some of the okay, that's 6,000 orders. Now you're going to check the top traders to see how many they've sold in a while, and you see they've made reasonable gains of like 4,000, but it's not really that much to make it that high volume. So what are you going to do now? You copy the CA. I got some few bots I used to scan these stocks on my TG, and get to know what is wrong with them and if they are really good to April. So I enter them here and allow my bot to analyze it. You see the dev has sold, but Dex is paid, and dev sniped 79%. So 79% in the hands of the wrong dev is very wrong. But if you scan the CEO on X and actually find out that the owner of the token is trustworthy and all that, you could, because even Trump sniped 80% of his token. So